How to get image or decal ID on Roblox Mobile. You want to go to the browser because you're gonna do it through the app of Roblox. On your browser, you want to search for Roblox. After you search for Roblox, click on the first option. Now, once you log in into your account, at the bottom, you want to choose Continue in Browser. You don't want to open the app of Roblox. Inside the browser, you want to click on Create at the top. Inside Create, click on the three line at the top left corner. And over here, you want to find the option called Store. If you don't find it, you want to click on Creator Hub at the top. Inside Creator Hub, you will see the option called Store. Click on it. Over here, you want to scroll to the side until you see the option called Decals. Click on Decals. Inside Decals, you can search for any image or any video you want to see the ID of. Let's say I want to see the ID of this custom face. I can click on it. Once I click on it, at the top, it's going to show you a URL called create.roblox. Click on it and scroll to the side until you see this option called Assets. And right after Asset, whichever number you see, that is basically the image ID. So the image ID for this is 18359555133. So that's how you guys can find any image or decal ID in Roblox. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.